How to download Minecraft on PC. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the official Minecraft website. From there, scroll down and tap on Get Minecraft option available there. After that, again scroll down and look for Computer and choose Minecraft Java Edition. Now, on the right side, you can see the checkout option available there. You can see two options available on the top and the bottom, the deluxe and the Minecraft. So we are choosing the Minecraft option and simply tap on the checkout below it. Now you will be prompted to log into your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to complete the purchase. Simply tap on the sign up to your Microsoft account and log in with your Microsoft account and complete the payment process. Once purchased, you can simply use Minecraft launcher and install the Minecraft in your PC. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.